And you simply use this brush end to wipe off the powder snow. And it's actually quite satisfying, to be completely honest with you. This is on a Panther style platform car, so not your typical average snow car like a Honda or a Civic or Suzuki or Subaru or a truck or Jeep, but hey, we're working with what we've got. So let's just get some of this off here, the windshield. And the goal here is you want to get most of it off, even off the body and the top, because as you're driving, this stuff will just blow back into your windshield if you let it. But I mean, if you're a little bit late for work and you got this to do, this is where it becomes aggravating. But on a Sunday, where all you're doing is hanging out, doing some stuff around the house, that's when you wanna. It's not too bad at that time. Dig out the windshield wipers. And from here, you're pretty much good. You just want to make sure that your headlights are clear in case you need, and your fog lights are clear. And then you really want to try to get as much as you can out of here, of the defroster vents and the windshields. But when my car is styled, it's kind of hard to get that stuff digged out of there. So as you see, we didn't need to use this end that much. But on a really cold day with no sun, you're gonna have this icy film, and it's not just gonna wipe off like that. You're gonna literally have to take the scraper and scrape the ice off. So that's 101 with using an ice scraper and brush to get snow off your car in a Colorado soon to be winter. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos. Appreciate it. Should I leave the Mohawk on the car? I'm starting to think so. Yeah. And there she's ready to drive.